Welcome back to another model tree tutorial. In this one, I had a client request a tall, narrow tree as part of a group of trees that were ordered. And I had one previously created and decided to use that, trim it up a bit, and make that a new tree. So that's what you see here. I trimmed off a few of the branches, took a little time to kind of evaluate it and decide how many of those I wanted up there and what I want for the shape of the tree. And as you'll see here, I ended up clipping the tip off of there and a little bit more from some of the other branches. Time to take it over to the spray box and spray a little glue on there for some more leaves. And then simply drop some super leaf material from Scenic Express to fill out the tree. And that's about it. There isn't a whole lot more to it when you've got the basic tree design available from the sagebrush. Once you've got all of the leaves attached as you want and scrape off any that you don't want on branches and trunks, then it's time to go to a little bit of paint and clean up those glue spots and make sure that you've got a nice uniform color for all of the branches and trunks that are showing.